What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna get the fucking exhaust done on his EK4.
Yeah, so we're about to head over to Hume Mufflers to do my full exhaust. Recently, in the previous vlog, I already installed my headers. Fixed the leak, which is good. Now, I just gotta complete the exhaust, right? Let's go. Yay!
So what's your verdict? Do you notice a big difference?
Yeah, just cruising alone makes a big difference.
I think your low end torque is good now? I still feel it's kind of the same.
No, because of I have people in the car, it's different because of the weight. But even with another person in the car, it made a big difference.
It still feels pretty good though, because I know when like there's two of us in the car, it doesn't go as hard.
Yeah.
But right now it actually goes pretty good.
On a flat first. Oh shit, my car just skipped.
That actually goes way better, man.
Hell yeah, dude! If my car skipped, then
yeah, 100%.
That amount of, the headers, the stock headers, I think.
We're Gucci, man.
I'll let you through, bro.
So once you pick up the rest of the cat back, bro, it's gonna go way better, man.
Yeah.
100% you're gonna notice the difference. And if you end up changing to the intake manifold, bro, shit.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely doing that, but like, bro. But no, it looks stock as fuck.
So we're currently at Hume Mufflers, right over there. David's car is getting done. They're currently cutting off his stock catback and they're gonna put in a high flow cat and a catback. So enjoy the cinematics of the process.
Let's have a listen.
Bit too loud for you, mate?
Yeah, bro, I'm getting old, bro.
There's lots of guys that want us to pay good money for that sound.
Yeah, but those are kids, if you remember, is that kids or not?
Oh yeah, I'm free playing.
Yeah, there we go.
Alright,
Go for it. That's the money. That's the money shot right there. Hell yeah.
Alright, so with that?
Yes, thank you very much. Yeah.
Once it settles in and that too, it'll
Yeah.
sound better and better.
100%.
As they get that trrr up the top, I after it hardens up and smooth it out a bit. You know?
Got it.
But they all have, especially do high flow cut and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sick. Thank you very much. I'll just go do the
I'll
paint.
fix her up. I'll just wash my hands.
Yep. Alright.
Yeah, but it's all good.
Thank you.
No worries, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Alright, mate.
See ya. Fuck, sounds pretty crazy. So, I'm gonna show you guys some fucking flybys of David's car. Yo, track boys, let's go. How is it, bro?
Bro,
It sounds crazy.
sounds, I
Sounds
don't know,
crazy.
it sounds different. I'm not even used to them. I'm used to the stock fucking pipes, bro.
Alright, man, just head out.
Yeah, it's too red hot here.
Alright,
Let's go.
fuck. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.
Let's send
Peace.
it. Peace.